Hey guys, this is your dentist here. I'm here to talk about your very first dental visit. Okay, if you're a really stressed person, a dental visit might sound really scary to you for obvious reasons. There'll be a lot of noise involved, and you have never been to a dentist before. That itself will cause you a lot of stress, anxiety, which is all understandably, proper reasons, of course. So, I'm here just to help you out with your first dental visit and to make it less stressful for you. Okay, let's get started here. So, when you're choosing a dentist, what are the things that you should properly consider before choosing it? If you choose properly, it is like most of the work has been done if you choose properly. So, before choosing, how do you choose in the first place? Let me tell you, if you're going to choose someone who's really far away from your house, since you're already dreading the visit, it will create more anxiety if the dentist is too far. If the dentist that you choose is like almost very in proximity to your house where you live, you will feel that psychological comfort that the patient is the dentist is close by. Okay, and the second reason why I'm telling you choose a dentist pretty close to your vicinity is that you will get a proper follow-up pattern. It's like once the treatment is done, it is not done and dusted forever. It always requires a follow-up, and it always requires you to go back, give a proper follow-up for proper maintenance in the first place. So for maintenance reasons, closer the clinic, the better the results will be. And once you get your treatments done, if you feel that the pain hasn't gone away, or you feel a weird taste, or you feel some numbing effect in your mouth, your numbness hasn't gone away after the treatment or something like that, you can always go back to the clinic without having to worry about the travel stuff. So you'll not postpone it basically. Okay, that is number one reason why you should choose a clinic that is close to your house. The second reason is that for maintenance reasons. If you are going to do any treatment, it can be a simple cleaning or a small filling to an extraction, that is removal of your teeth or something like that. You should give a maintenance checkup. Maintenance is crucial for any treatment, be it a general treatment or a dental treatment, whatever it is. Just like how you maintain your cars or any vehicles for that matter, everything needs a service. So it's like basically you're giving your mouth for a round of cleaning or a service. It's like a car wash for a car. It's like a whole routine for your mouth. You are taking care of your mouth in a proper manner by giving proper maintenance. So if the clinic is close by, you will definitely go for a maintenance in a regular pattern, which is very important. So the number one reason that you should be having in mind while choosing a dental clinic is to have a clinic that is at least moderately close to your house, if not that too close. But do not choose a clinic purely based on this. There are few factors which I'll be telling you, which you should consider before choosing a clinic. So that's one. And the second thing is that it's not rocket science. You can always Google it, right? So when you are going to choose a clinic, always Google it, and everybody does that. I know for the longest time people have started now using Google for that. Like before they visit somewhere, someplace, they'll always go to Google and they'll check it up, right? So check for the reviews. I would say you can check their reviews, go through each and every review that has a 4 or above rating, or maybe 3.5 or above rating, is doing pretty good, because dental treatments are not that great for everyone. If the clinic has managed to get a review about 4 or 5, then they are doing a great job. Okay, so you can just Google it and find out the reviews, how they're doing, and you will feel a little better after that. So once you have shortlisted few clinics based on location and based on the Google reviews and everything, you'll come down with few clinics again. It can be 4 to 5 clinics. You can just note it down. the next thing which you can always do is that, ask for opinions around your circle, like your friends or family or relatives or anybody like that. You can just call them and ask them if they know this clinic, if they have been to the clinic, and if they have done any treatment. Even a small consultation, it can help you understand what to expect and what can probably happen in the first dental visit. Just ask them how the treatment went and how was it painful, did it take a long time, and how was the consultation, is the doctor friendly, is it comfortable, everything you can ask there. And it depends upon, from person to person. What worked for the other person might not necessarily work for you, but still it's a good way of understanding how the clinic generally functions and what generally happens inside a dental clinic. So, but don't go overboard with it, because sometimes you can get scared, or the fear can get aggravated for unnecessary reasons. So don't go overboard. Just ask a general opinion to a few people just to orient yourself with that. So that's with that. And then coming down to the fourth important thing is, like, after you have selected the clinic, you have set your mind, and you have a great feeling about this clinic, you are going to the clinic. I would say preferably make a call, take an appointment to avoid waiting, because the more you wait outside a dental clinic, it's not going to be a great experience, especially when the noises are a bit scary. Sometimes the drilling noise and everything can scare you more than it should. So that can cause more fear in an already scared person. So it can increase the anxiety of the person. So make a call, take an appointment, and be on time for the appointment. So once you visit the clinic, you can look around for how the clinic has been maintained generally, like the hygiene status of the clinic, the way the staff are moving around, how swiftly things are happening. You can just take a quick look at it. Once you are in the clinic, once you are in the chair, you can always talk to the dentist. Like, you can be open about how anxious you are. You can tell them that it's your very first visit and you are a stressful person. If you tell this to the dentist, they will handle you accordingly, because their job is to routinely handle dental patients, and they might not be that keen on working you out. So they will not know probably that you are like that scared inside. Maybe you will not look that like an anxious person from the outside. So you can always reveal it to them, tell them that you are stressed and you need some help. And consultation, usually what happens is there's something called fear of the unknown. So most of the time people will be scared because they do not know what's happening inside their mouth. They do not know where the pain is coming from, or if it will go away at all. They are too confused. So let your confusions go down by sitting down for a checkup. Let the doctor just go through a checkup, not more than that. Ask them to just give a proper examination. So once the doctor has checked you up, taken few photographs, maybe some x-rays in the first visit, this will make you more comfortable. The more time you spend with the doctor, you will become less and less anxious. So after the checkup or after the consultation, work out a plan that works both, for both the doctor as well as the patient. If you are not that comfortable starting the treatment right away, you can let the doctor know. So they are not going to be pushy. Most of the time they will let you come back for the treatment, by taking your own decisions. So they'll let you know what's happening inside your mouth, and you can always come back later. So your first visit will be less traumatic for you, and it will take away the stress and take away the level of fear you have, hopefully. And one more thing I want to add here is that, if you are a really, really stressed person, one thing which you can do is that ask for the doctor to do a basic cleaning procedure, for example, like a superficial cleaning. There are 3 benefits to doing a cleaning at the dentist office on the first day. The first one is that you will get used to the noises a dental clinic will always have when they are working on you. So there will be something called as a suction. That is, the mouth is constantly filled with water when the doctor is working. So there will be a tube that goes inside your mouth, takes out all the water. So this will produce some amount of noise. This noise can be a little intimidating to most of the patients because they associate such drilling noises or the suction noises with pain. They might be always looking for, if there is a lot of noise, there will be pain. So once you get a cleaning done, you will understand that there is no association between the noise and the pain factor. So this will sort things better for you. The second benefit of having cleaning is that your mouth is going to look or feel fresh, and it is going to be fresh and clean. And the third reason is that it's very important. The third reason is will play a major role, because since it is your first visit and since you are a very stressed person, when you're going through a cleaning, you will understand the handling of the doctor or the dentist who's working on you. You will understand if the doctor is slow, or if they are too fast, or if they are soft, or if they are rough in handling, like the way you expect the doctor to work on you. Some patients prefer the doctor to be very swift and fast. So for that, you will have to sit down for a cleaning. See, cleaning is definitely not going to put you in a lot of pain or in any pain at all. So you will just understand how the doctor is going to work on you, how professional the doctor is going to be, or how experienced the doctor is. The experience and everything will talk for itself when they're working on you. So you can have a basic idea about it. So if you are comfortable with the handling of the doctor there, you can take it further. You can start the treatment right away on the chair on the very same day. If you're not that comfortable with the doctor's handling, maybe you can ask for a second visit or a second appointment. You can turn back after your anxiety has gone down, or maybe you can choose a better dentist. It's up to you. So you'll get a better picture. So I hope that this helps you and it has given some amount of knowledge to you. But let me tell you guys, the dentist will help you. Let me summarize everything for you. The first thing to consider is to choose a clinic which is very, very close to your place, at least moderately close to your place, for giving proper follow-up and maintenance. The second thing is that Google it up, look them up on Google for proper good reviews and everything. Third thing is that ask around, ask your relatives or friends for the word of mouth, what they went through and their experience, which will help you. And the fourth thing is that once you go to the clinic, you can talk to them the quality inside the clinic, and you can understand how the doctor is going to work on you. And the fifth point which I want to include, which is very important, is that go for a basic cleaning. It will help you in understanding how the doctor is going to handle you, how experienced or how professional the staff are, and how the culture of the clinic entirely is, just by going through a very basic treatment like cleaning. So I hope this helps, guys. Let me come up with another video very soon. So until then, bye bye.